Welcome to Money Pit Boating. I'm Mark, and that's my buddy Coots.
Yo!
And on today's adventure, I get us into quite the predicament. My buddy Coots is probably sleeping right now because it's 7 in the morning, and I'm in the middle of somewhere, I don't even know. And I'm headed to Wisconsin from Michigan to possibly pick up a boat that I kind of told Coots about, but he didn't say no. We're gonna check it out and see what the deal is with it. So maybe we might be getting a new vessel for the fleet, but we will see. My back's killing me, so I'm stopping and getting some gas. Yikes. Some Red Bull, and I forgot sunglasses. Today's gonna be a good day. I can feel it, man. That guy feels it. Chicago's 59 miles away. Yeah. Right over there is the lake. Getting close. I need to find a bathroom. I found a bathroom at McDonald's. Thank God. I'm kind of close, but I'm kind of early because I was supposed to be there at 12, but I totally forgot about the time change. So I'm gonna call Mike and see if it's still good to go.
Hello, this is Michael. Please leave your name.
Hey Mike, this is the guy for the boat. Thanks, bye. I hope I didn't drive 6 hours for nothing. All right, Mike didn't call me. I'm gonna go to the address that he gave me, do a drive-by, try and scout things out. We're getting close. Even if Mike doesn't answer me and we don't get this boat, this is kind of cool. Oh, wow. Now we're talking. It looks like a boating place. Gonna walk around. Kind of want to go that way. Although it looks like the sidewalk just stops. Dude, that looks awesome. Why are there no boats out there? Today's fun fact is kids don't float.
Whoa!
There's the Jurassic Park Welcome Center. Hopefully the boat isn't too far from here, and hopefully it's not a Craigslist scam. Oh, it's windy. Good day for sailing.
Hey, matey!
This is a cool boat launch area. All right, it's calling. Hey, Mike, how's it going?
Hey, Mark. It's going to take me about 40 minutes.
Okay, no worries. I'm actually just down by the downtown area. Reef Point or something?
Reef Point.
Yeah.
That is the largest marina on Lake Michigan.
Holy moly. All right, thanks, Mike.
All right, man.
All right, bye. All right, looks like this might be going down. Reef Point Marina, the finest marina in all the land.
Feel how thick that mother.
Oh my God.
All the components of the hitch work, everything's good. You got 4 tires. These are pretty decent on tread. Here's the choke, and here's the button to start it. Let it run a little with the choke out and then move it in. You'll get a feel for it.
Okay.
This is where she spits out from the bilge. Let's get a ladder and get on board. Is there a chance you could get this? Because I can't bend over.
Oh, dude. I just hurt my back. No.
This sucks getting over.
Yeah.
I have to go up 1 foot at a time like a little bitch.
Yeah, dude, I'm the same way.
Come up that ladder slow, brother. Tiller cover. It's a new f***ing tiller. There's a boatswain's chair if you want to go up on.
Oh, yeah.
This is where your gas can goes. You can see.
That's deep.
Oh yeah, there's the trailer hitch.
Oh, you know what? I need the thingy.
I don't have a thingy. You can find a place. Compass. It has to lay at an angle.
Yeah.
I had to buy a special one.
Yeah.
It lights up.
Whoa.
This is your depth gauge, heel meter, ball just rolls, and you got 4 speakers back here.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
Just see if we can open this up. You can see love went into this, man.
Yeah, I love the safe.
Okay, let's go down. All right. Now you know this whole thing pops up.
Yeah, the pop.
These to just unlatch this and unlatch that, and you can lift this up. You slide it up, it catches the back edge,
Yeah.
and you just tighten it down so it won't fall down.
Okay.
Subwoofer. I use vibration absorbing pads here.
Okay.
You don't get any rattle.
Rattle, yeah.
I don't want that shit. Stereo. Amplifier. Ship to shore. Flare guns. Flares you hold.
Yeah, okay.
There's an orange emergency flag down here. Monocular. There's a first aid kit. I built this. Anywhere you see this color wood, that's brand new. That, and this, it's all brand new. I told you about the bell. The bell goes with the boat. If you keep the name,
Perfect.
I even use the same font.
Yeah. You said you got that from Harvard?
I got the bell from Harvard University. Under here, there's going to be a little water because this is where the water collects. Since that's where water collects, that's where I have the bilge.
You don't know how the water gets in?
I don't. If I did, it would never get in.
Yeah.
I'd fix the fucker.
Okay.
Not a lot gets in.
Yeah.
And it never gets higher than that because the bilge turns. These cushions I redid myself. Awesome. I sewed this and then I made it to form fit. There are wing nuts under here. I bought new connectors. You should see how expensive that fucking thing is. Lift it off the back, loosen the wing nuts, and lower it down, and it sits on these. And then this is your cushion Then under here is your holding tank.
For the toilet?
And the sink. You don't ever have to go into it. There's a pump out there.
Yeah,
this is a manual bilge if it's ever needed in an emergency.
Okay.
Here's a set of tools. Everything you need for the boat. This is also cut to fit. Everything's cut to fit. This is your mainsail, and it says right on the bag, mainsail. Main. And if you feel it, you're not going to feel any sticky stuff. It's how it's supposed to be. I put this in case somebody wants to pee or poop.
Yeah.
Curtain. Here's your storm jib, and you can feel, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the sail either. They're all good sails. This is your jib, and again, it's a good sail. They're all good.
Awesome.
I'm guessing you figured out by now I'm not the kind of guy that would have junk. Now, there's another sail here. This is the storm jib. I don't know what the fuck that other one is. Then I have cushions here. This is the V-berth for sleeping.
Oh, nice.
There's storage containers everywhere underneath. These are all brand new. Let me tell you another thing. Every one of them's got one of these on the shoulder.
Oh, nice.
When it gets on water, it blinks. The toilet, it works this way with the pump. Here is the ladder.
Oh, nice.
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
Here's the
radio.
This is a wind gauge. You just turn it on and hold it up, and this little thing will. There's adapters on here. This one's for an iPad. I'm taking this. Under here, you're gonna find a ton of extra lines, brand new. You're also gonna find another toolkit that's got stuff for the boat only. Here's a knife, pieces that are just for the boat. Crazy stuff like this. Spark plugs, extra spurlins for the sail if you ever need it. I've got backup to backup to backup.
Okay.
There's a lot of extra dock lines and bow lines. Two brand new ones. This is brand new too. And then here, there's another fire extinguisher. Okay. And there's one right there.
What's the blue thing?
What blue thing? This.
Yeah.
Freshwater tank. Here's you can see there's a place to put a flag. So that's your American flag. It's actually a nautical navy. In here is my treasured logbook. Emergency procedures. If you're bringing somebody on board that doesn't know how to sail, I'll move down here and you take my seat. Start grabbing those cushions and handing them to me. This one has arms. Leave this for the captain. You got two boat hooks. Pull that out because I want to show you what's under there. All right, so I don't know what's under there. Yeah, that's it. Slider shut. There's a lot of room under there to sleep. The bilge pump. Now, if you press the button, it'll work.
On top?
Yeah, go ahead.
Urban bottom. Or this one?
I think it's the top that you press. I might be wrong.
Oh, there we go.
There it is. It's running. The other things you can see what they're for.
Yeah, anchor light, running light, cabin light, nav lights, deck light. Nice.
How much fucking work do you think that was?
Oh, I run some electrical and it's
wrestling a snake.
Why something smells like it's burning?
Jesus.
Any questions?
I don't know. I'm excited. This thing's great.
What's the date today?
I've got no clue.
Signed over to you.
Okay.
You can scoot.
Awesome.
You be careful here in Racine because a lot of these people, like you saw that one guy.
Yeah, driving like
Assholes.
maniacs. Yeah.
Good luck, man.
Yeah. Thank you again.
When you have questions, but
Yep.
look, she's a solid
I'm
sailor.
excited. What did I get myself into? I am on the freeway. I got this behemoth behind me. A little nervous. I'm gonna pull over at the first rest stop I find and just give everything a once over just to make sure everything's good to go. Slow and steady wins the race. Just stopped at one of these little rest stop areas, checking everything out. This thing's good. This thing, safety shackle thing's on there now. There looks good still. That guy's driving like a boss. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna turn on my hazards and see if things are blinking back here. Yeah, nothing's working back here. Oh, those are blinking. Why is this not going? That ain't good. About 3.5 hours left, but the good news is we are back in Pure Michigan. Oh yeah, give it the old let's go blue. 101 miles left. Check this thing out. Now the lights are working somehow. That doesn't make any sense. On the home stretch. It's 12:21 in the morning and I made it. Safe and sound. Sore. But I think the boat is in one piece. She's a beaut. Coots is gonna kill me. My wife's gonna kill me. The next day, we discovered something that would totally throw a wrench into our plans. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the next video, thumbs up this, and thank you for watching. And Mike, thanks for the boat, and bye. Bye. Thanks for clearing that one up for me. I was like, I don't know where I'm going with that.